Hi guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful glass pumpkin using some items from the thrift store. So I'm going to start off by making a mirrored base for our pumpkin. So I'm going to use this round mirror from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using that candlestick holder that I picked up from my thrift store, as well as my Aleene's The Ultimate permanent adhesive. So I'm going to start by cleaning off the mirror. And I removed the paper from the back so it left scratches, but that doesn't matter because you won't see it. So I'm going to apply a little bit of my adhesive. I'm going to apply the candlestick holder to the mirror, and I'm going to set it to the side and allow it to dry overnight. This is the bowl I'm going to use, and I got that from my thrift store. I'm going to be using a little bit of this clear tacky glue. I'm going to put a little bit inside, and I'm going to spread that around using a damp brush. The brush is just dampened with a little bit of water. And I'm going to spread that all around. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of sparkling clear glitter, or it's like a frosted colored glitter. And I'm going to shake a little bit of that around in the bowl. I'm just adding enough of the glitter just to make sure that the bowl can be illuminated once everything is dry. Next, I'm going to go in and just shake a tiny bit of the silver just to give it a little bit of sparkling dimension. And after this is done, guys, I'm going to let that dry for about 10 minutes. So now that it's dry, I'm going to clean off the outside of the bowl and we're going to get started. So right now, guys, I'm going to figure out how to make a stem for the pumpkin. And so what I'm going to do is use the styrofoam letters that I picked up from my craft store. And yeah, so I'm just going to use this foam. This is the letter J. It's like an alphabet styrofoam. And what I'm going to do is just cut this down into size. I'm going to split it in half. I'm going to use my craft knife to do that. And then I'm just going to shape it down a little bit just so that it resembles the stem or a pumpkin stem. So after I do that, guys, I'm just going to place a pair of tweezers at the base of my stem, and I'm going to use this silver paint. I'm going to paint the stem. After I paint the stem, I'm going to allow it to dry for about a half hour. And then I'm going to come back in and use some silver glitter on it. So I'm going to use my glue. I'm just going to apply just a little bit of that glitter. I'm going to set that to the side and allow it to dry. Now that it's dry, guys, I'm going to use a little bit of this hairspray. This is a clear hairspray. I'm just going to seal that glitter. So right now, I'm just going to use this diamond wrap, guys. I'm just going to cut it into single strips. I'm going to start creating the shape of our pumpkin. So now that that's done, guys, I'm just going to take this bling wrap that I had left over. This is a self-adhesive chunky bling wrap, and I'm just going to apply that to the top. This is the part of the pumpkin that's going to hold the stem into place and the rest of the decoration. So now our stem is dry, and I'm going to apply it to the center. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to do that. Now that that's on, guys, I'm just going to apply some shorter pieces of bling wrap. I just want to give this a little bit more of a pumpkin shape. So now that that's done, guys, look how nice this looks. This looks really nice, and the pumpkin is starting to take shape. So right now, guys, I'm going to add the decoration here at the top, and I'm going to also add some decoration along the edge of that bling wrap just to disguise that square shape. So I'm going to use the silver sequin, the blush sequin, and the ivory pearls just to create some texture here at the top. I'm also going to be using some larger pieces of sequin, guys, just to add a little bit more dimension and to cover the square edge of that bling wrap. And after that, I'm just going to add some silver pearls. I'm going to be using this tap light, guys, and all you have to do is just press it to create the desired light that you want. So it can go from very dim to very bright, and that's what that's going to look like. And I'm just going to place it on top of our pedestal base that I made earlier. Beautiful, beautiful illuminated pumpkin. I absolutely love the way this looks. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.